Very good morning, my dear students of class 6th. Student, today in bio we will discuss a topic is called pollination. Okay, pollination means the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a stamen to the stigma of a pistil is called pollination. Student, pollination is a very simple process. What happens in this process? The pollen grains, when the pollen grains go from anther to the stigma, simply the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. But it is not enough in this process. You must know what is the meaning of stamen and pistil. Stamen is the male reproductive part of flower and pistil is the female reproductive part of flower. Let me show you with the help of diagram. Okay, student? Here a diagram, you can see this yellow part, this yellow color and this tube like structure. Okay, here this yellow and this tube like structure, this is called stamen. Okay, stamen has two part, anther and filament. Okay, anther is very important. Why it is yellow in color? Because it contain pollen grains and pollen grains contain male gamete. Okay, student, and the central part is called pistil. It is the female reproductive part. It is the female reproductive part of flower. It contains three part. First one is mouth. You can say this mouth like structure, this is called stigma. Okay, it's very important part in this process, stigma. Then this tube like structure, neck like structure is called style, and this broad part is called ovary. Okay, student, now we are talking about pollination. It's very simple. Pollination is transfer of these yellow, means these yellow structure, these are called pollen grains. So when the pollen grains go from this part, means from anther to the mouth of pistil, this one mouth. Okay, mouth of pistil, this simple process is called pollination. Okay, student, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of pistil, this is called pollination. Okay, student, now we will talk about its type. Pollination can occur in two ways: self pollination and cross pollination. Self pollination, when the pollen grains from the anther of a flower are transferred to the stigma of a same flower. Okay, student, same flower or another flower on the same plant. Flower can be another, but plant must be same. Okay, so this is very clear diagram of cell pollen. You can see here, this is one flower. Okay, in this process one flower is involved. You can see clearly what is happening here. The pollen grains which are in yellow color, when they go to the stigma, okay, when they go to the stigma, this is called self pollination. Here is self pollination happening because there is one flower. Okay, now we will talk about the cross pollination. Cross, okay, when the pollen grains from the anther of a flower of one plant transfer to the stigma of flower on another similar plant. Okay, student, what's happening here? There are two plants are involving, but in self pollination there was same plant, but there are different plant. Okay, different plant, different flower, different plant. This is called cross pollination. Let me show you diagram, you can understand it easily. Okay, this one, okay, this is one flower. Okay, and there's another flower. You can say there are two flower clearly. What's happening here? This yellow color is called anther. It contains pollen grains. When the pollen grains of one flower go to the stigma of pistil of another flower, this is called cross pollination. Simple. Okay, there are two flower involved. Okay, student, this is called cross or self pollination. Now we will talk about the agents of pollination. In student, pollination done by insects. Okay, first agent we have insect. Pollination is done by insects such as bees and butterflies. Bees and butterflies, we know very well it. Certain flower have a nectary near their base. कुछ फ्लावर्स में बच्चों बेस में उसके आधार में नेक्टरी पार्ट होता है विच कंटेन सुगरी लिक्विड, एक मीठा सा एक लिक्विड होता है जिसे हम नेक्टर कहते हैं. एंड दिस सुगरी लिक्विड, ओके, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ फ्लावर. That's why insect sits over it. When an insect sit on the flower of a plant for sucking nectar, जब कोई भी इंसेक्ट फ्लावर के ऊपर उस नेक्टर को, उस सुगरी लिक्विड को सक करने के लिए बैठता है, देन द pollen grains फ्रॉम द एंथर. होता क्या है, तो जो pollen grains होते हैं मैंने आपको बताया, वो pollen grains उस इंसेक्ट की बॉडी पर चिपक जाते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड नाउ व्हेन दिस इंसेक्ट सिट ऑन अनदर फ्लावर, और जब ये इंसेक्ट किसी दूसरे फ्लावर पर बैठता है नेक्टर को सक करने के लिए, देन द pollen grains स्टिकिंग टू इट्स बॉडी, तो जो pollen grains उसके बॉडी पर चिपके हुए थे वो ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ दिस सेकंड फ्लावर, दूसरे फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा में वो पहुंच जाते हैं, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉलिनेशन व्हेन द पॉलन गेज गो फ्रॉम एंथर टू स्टिग्मा. नाउ इट्स सेम प्रोसेस इज हैपनिंग हियर बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंसेक्ट. हु इज डूइंग पॉलिनेशन हियर? इंसेक्ट. Okay, so in this way the insect transfer pollen grains from flower to flower and carry out pollination. इस तरह से इंसेक्ट के बैठने के कारण pollen grains एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा तक पहुंच गए, यानी कि पॉलिनेशन हो गया विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंसेक्ट. Now, the insect pollinated flower have large bright colored. They have large bright colored and scented petals. बहुत सुगंधित पेटल्स होते हैं बच्चों में, एज वेल एज नेक्टर भी होता है टू अट्रैक्ट इंसेक्ट फॉर पॉलिनेशन. क्यों? बिकॉज दीज फ्लावर्स आर पॉलिनेटेड बाय इंसेक्ट, सो दे नीड टू अट्रैक्ट द इंसेक्ट. सो हाउ डू दे अट्रैक्ट इंसेक्ट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर beauty. With the help of their beauty. What is the beauty of flower? Large, bright colored and scented petals. These are the beauty of flower by which insect get attracted. Some of the insect pollinated flower are the plants such as sunflower, marigold, okay, bougainvillea, jasmine, banana, banyan. These are some flower which are pollinated by insects. Okay, student. Now we will have the another type of agent. This is called wind. The blowing wind carries pollen grains from one flower to another flower and helps in pollination. बहती जो हवा होती है बच्चों, वो हवा भी परागण करने का काम करती है. Wind pollinated flower don't have large, brightly colored and scented petal और nectar. बच्चों जो वो फ्लावर जो पॉलिनेटेड होते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ विंड, उनमें क्या कैरेक्टर होते हैं? उनमें सेंटेड पेटल्स नहीं होते, वो लार्ज नहीं होते, उनमें ब्राइट कलर नहीं होता, नेक्टर भी नहीं होता. क्यों? बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव टू अट्रैक्ट इंसेक्ट, क्योंकि उन्हें इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्ट करना नहीं होता है. दे आर पॉलिनेटेड बाय विंड, दे डोंट नीड इंसेक्ट. दैट्स वाई द विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर हैव anthers that hang out the flower to catch the wind. Okay, so student, what happens here? The जो wind pollinated जो flower होते हैं उनके anthers बड़े से होते हैं, लंबे से होते हैं, हैंग होते हैं आउटसाइड, ओके, टू फ्लावर द कैच द विंड, ताकि वो हवा को कैच कर सके. दे प्रोड्यूस लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट. ओके, ये हल्के लाइट, बड़ी संख्या में हल्के स्मॉल पॉलन ग्रेन्स को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं विच कैन ब्लो इन द विंड, जो बहुत हल्के होने के कारण हवा के साथ बह जाते हैं. द विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर हैव ऑल्सो स्प्रेडिंग एंड फीदरी स्टिग्मास. बच्चों जो विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर होते हैं उनमें एक स्प्रेडिंग और फीदरी स्टिग्मा होता है टू कैच द एयरबॉर्न पॉलन ग्रेन्स, ताकि वो उन पॉलन ग्रेन्स को पकड़ भी सके. ओके, सो लेट मी शो यू डायग्राम. यू कैन सी क्लियरली हियर, दिस वन यू कैन सी, ओके, you can read it here. Pollen carried by wind, these are pollens, yellow structure, these are called pollen, they are carrying by wind. Now pollen caught on feathery stigma, you can see this feathery stigma, okay, this is feathery stigma, okay, and it will catch pollen grains, okay, which are coming with the help of, which are spreading with the help of wind, okay, and this long structure is called stamen, okay, it is hang outside. So student, it is the structure of flower which are pollinated by wind. Some example, wind pollinated flower are in plants such as grass, maize, rice, sugarcane, bamboo and palm. It's very simple. Okay, student. Now we have next agent. This is called water. Pollinated, the flower which are pollinated by water. The pollination in aquatic plants, जो जलीय पौधे होते हैं बच्चों, particularly those plants which are submerged in water, like this you can see submerged in water, is done by water. Okay, since pollen grains are light, क्योंकि pollen grains हल्के होते हैं, they are easily carried by water, तो पानी उनको easily carry कर देता है from flower to flower. एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में पानी की मदद से pollen grains पहुंच जाते हैं. Okay, when the pollen grains of one flower, okay, move with the help of water and reach to the stigma of pistil, same the pollination is taking place, and here is pollination taking place with the help of water. Okay, this transfer process is being done by water. Okay, so the pollination in aquatic plants such as Vallisneria, Hydrilla is carried by water. Okay, student, you can see here this is pollination by water. Okay, student, on the left side you can see pollination by wind, and here is pollination done by insect. Okay, student, so in this video today we discussed about pollination and its type. Pollination means paragan. Okay, student, there are two types of pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. I hope you must have understood it. And we also discuss about the agent of pollination: insect, water, wind. Okay, student. So I think it's enough for today. Have a good day. Thank you.